In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up regions in Google Merchant Center. If you're ready to make your product listings more specific and targeted, you've come to the right place. By the end of this session, you'll understand the process and be able to easily adjust your settings to better serve different geographic areas. To begin, make sure you're logged into the Google Merchant Center. Head over to merchants.google.com and sign in with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate your way to the regions section, but first let's find where to do that. You'll notice at the top right corner of the page there's a gear icon. Click on this gear icon to access a drop-down menu. Among the options you'll find one labelled Add-ons. Selecting this will lead you to another list of features available for your merchant account. Here, keep an eye out for a tab called Regions. This is exactly where we want to go. Next, let's move ahead and click Add to start the process of setting up regions. Once you've clicked, you'll notice that regions will now be added as a separate tab under the Business Info section. This is where you can manage all regional settings going forward. Now that we have the Regions tab visible, it's time to add a new region. Click on the plus symbol. This will prompt you to enter details about the new region you'd like to create. First, come up with a name. Think about something that makes sense for your targeted area, such as Metro Manila or any other area that pertains to your business needs. After naming your region, the next step is to choose the country it belongs to. From there, you'll have the opportunity to select either specific areas within that country or apply zip codes that accurately define the location you're targeting. Be sure to be precise in this section to ensure your settings have the desired effect. Once you've carefully input all the necessary information, don't forget to save your changes. Clicking Save confirms the creation of the new region and applies all the settings you have just configured. Voila. You've successfully set up regions in the Google Merchant Center. This configuration allows you to tailor product availability and promotions based on geographical location, which is crucial for targeting specific markets effectively. Remember, you can always revisit and update these settings as your business needs change. A well-managed account with Merchant Center regions can significantly impact your marketing efforts by reaching consumers where they are. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. You're now equipped to use regional settings like a pro. Have fun exploring this powerful tool and seeing how it can benefit your business.